Ah, the weather is nice for digging all this stuff. See all these roots I've chopped out so far? I've only gone from here to about there, and I just used my hammer, and I've had to dig pretty far. See this one here? Look at this. This was right there, and it went right over this pipe. I'm not sure why there's a white PVC sprinkler pipe here, because most of the drip irrigation is this black pipe. Okay, but I'm glad I found it, and I just saw this here, and I was contemplating whether or not to leave that and maybe chop it off somewhere else, but it was pushed right down on top of that, and I just took my hammer and I just beat it and beat it and beat it. See there? I didn't even have to get my Sawzall out or anything, and the last bit of it is way down in there. I don't really care about that down there, because this root here, look at that. This root keeps going over there, and there's another big root too, but see here, look at this one. See? That's what's causing that to raise up right there. And I'm gonna have to come back for that. First and foremost, I wanted to keep digging in here, and the more I dig, the more roots I get. All of this right there came out of just this little section here. And if I leave those, eventually these little roots become medium-sized roots. The medium-sized roots become this size. And it's not a given where if I just dig along here with my hammer handle, my claw, if I go down 2 or 3 inches and I just cut off things there, because lots of this stuff is going down deeper, and then off of these big roots, off of a big root shoots off small roots. See the small roots on here? See here? Those are eventually going to get big, like everything else. So 25-year-old landscaping, hey, I'm just going to keep working like the Energizer Bunny. Chop, 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 chop. Cut off the ones I can with that. Cut off the ones I can with that little thing. And I had to use my little shovel to dig, and I'm glad I did. And hey, I'll get it. Okay, that's why I encourage you. Hey, if you got 20-year-old, 25-year-old landscaping, and you got a situation such as what I'm doing, if you've been watching all these videos, I encourage you to watch all the previous videos so you understand what's going on here. Okay.